Good. Yeah, pull on your left ring. Pull on your left ring. That's it. Relax your right leg. Pull on the left ring more. More. Pull on the left ring more. More. Yes. Now let's go forward. Your right leg is tighter than your left. Shorten your left ring. Shorten your left ring. There you go. Good. Turn his head towards me. It's all good. You're fine. Good. Come forward to me. This is normal. Yeah. Pull on your left ring. You are tighter on one leg more than the other, which is sending his rear end. Okay. Yeah, he's very sensitive to this versus this versus this. Yeah. That's the one I heard. When you squeeze to go forward, they've got to be the same. If he sends his haunches, so both legs means go forward. One leg means move over. Move away. Right. So if you've got one leg tighter than the other, that's what he's training to do. Yeah. So I'm going to help you unstop. So we're going to think forward. So let's go up. Okay. Now on this side is C. Good. The same thing the other way.